Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the Honor X9C off. This prevents damage and ensures the tray ejects smoothly. Once done, find the SIM tray on the right edge and insert the eject tool straight in, don't angle it. Make sure you have 2 nano SIM cards placed on a clean, flat surface. Keep the micro SD separate if you plan to use storage. This step sets the physical orientation and prevents bent pins, so take a breath and proceed deliberately before you open the tray. You now handle the tray. Observe the tiny slot labels and the cut corner orientation. Slot 1 typically sits closest to the display and slot 2 toward the edge. Lay each nano SIM with the gold contacts down and the notched corner matching the tray shape. This ensures electrical contact. Once both cards are seated, check that they sit perfectly flat and do not protrude. If both fit flush, slide the tray back gently. Forcing it risks damaging the card or the tray, so stop if you feel resistance. You finish by powering the phone on and watching the top bar for 2 network icons. This confirms both modules registered. Once booted, go to Settings, then SIM and Network. To name each SIM, set default data and call preferences, and enable roaming if needed. If a SIM doesn't show, power down and reseat it, then try the other SIM alone to isolate faults. A key troubleshooting tip: clean the gold contacts gently with a dry cloth before reseating. Contamination.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.